guessing I'm doing this. This is going to be my second attempt at trying to make a YouTube video, and this time I hope it goes a bit better. Anyway, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Leela. I won't be saying my surname this time. Last time I said my surname and then I was too lazy to edit it out, so I won't be saying my surname this time. This is just a little I hope this is going to be a smaller vlog. I'm making like the intro today, but what I'm actually going to be vlogging or try to vlog is the beach day tomorrow, where me and a few of our friends, me, my friends, and a few of us were going out to the beach tomorrow. And this is like the first time I'm going to the beach without like any of my parents there, just like it's just me, my sister, my brother, our cousin, and then two of our friends and my one friend's boyfriend. That's who I know of is going, so it's just a small group. We're going over to Muizenberg, and I hope it's going to be great. Again, this is the first time of like just like a young people group thing. We go out, but we don't really do stuff like that. They go hike. I don't go hiking with them. I don't know. I don't like hiking. I tried hiking one time, but it wasn't me, and I've kind of like just not gone hiking with him again. But yeah, obviously because it's the beach day I'm going with, because I don't have to walk that much, and I can just lay on. I just want to literally, my plan is to lay on the beach, maybe read, perhaps write, and yeah, basically. And then this is the video. Thank you for being here. Outfit. I'm wearing bracelets on my ankles because cool, and then a bracelet on my wrist as well. That's literally the vibe.
What happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice?
That was a video.
The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know
Dire right now, but it is a situation.
that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to come down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Ada Daniel. Ada Daniel.
Hi, my name is Jade. I look crazy,
Yes, you do.
but I am crazy.
So yeah, we made it back safely. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I wanted to write on the beach, but it just wasn't. But yeah, it was nice. I just randomly picked up a shell. I'm just gonna put my bracelets and stuff in it. I've been needing like things to put my jewelry in, and boom, now I have a shell, and I'll put it in there, put it maybe on my shelf or something. My shell on the shelf. Yeah, but I wanna sleep. I'm full of sand. My face is full of sand. Everything's full of sand. I just wanna go wash my face because it feels so raw. Hold on.
I'm not coming in. Okay, I found it. It was inside the tablecloth thingy.
Ah.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. My brother almost missed his earpods. But yeah, so I'm gonna go wash my face and get into bed, and then I'm gonna watch Project Runway. I could edit this video immediately, nah? A small little quick vlog and stuff, but I don't know still. I do hope you enjoy it though, and I do hope that this is actually the one that I post. If not, I'm just making videos for no reason and filling up space on my phone for no reason. Yes, thank you so much for coming, and